Hi, thank you for joining us. I'm Justin Slusser.
And I'm TJ Paulin. We're going to walk you through the all-new Grand Design Transcend travel trailer.
Grand Design is a startup company not too long ago that is just taking over the industry, building superior products that people are just falling in love with. They're at like top 10 in every single category that they build in. So just an unbelievable brand that we want to tell you about today. So why don't we work our way to the front and we'll start right here.
Absolutely, and the Transcend is quality driven and built to last, and one of the biggest features starts with the power tongue jack on the front, which helps you get up and off your truck when it's really hot out. I mean, you could be really sweating, and this is a lot easier to get it up and off your truck. And also the propane tanks are enclosed in a nice cover to protect them going down the road.
You can probably begin to tell already that this unit looks a little different on the outside here. It's due to this metal that they're using. It's not the conventional metal that every other brand is using in the industry. Your front and your sides are thicker than everything else in the industry. So this is going to just tremendously help your unit hold up against the weather, whether it be hailstorm, road debris, something when you're going down the road. This thing is like bulletproof. So one of my favorite features is just the look and the durability and the strength that comes from this metal. So we can work our way over to the storage compartment. You're going to notice that you're going to see a huge pass-through storage compartment that's very well lit. You've got magnets up top here to hold your baggage door in place. You don't have to have those plastic catches, TJ, that you know break over time.
And that's cleaner than most of the other manufacturers do, right?
Oh, much cleaner, much cleaner. Sometimes you're going to see wires hanging down or plumbing in there. That's not the case, just nice and clean professional look through here.
Yeah, absolutely. And we could talk a little bit about the seals on the exterior of this unit. Transcend uses a quad seal, which is a mylar tape, 2 layers of PVC foam, and then also silicone cap seal to ensure that there's no water penetration in this unit at all.
Does anyone else do that?
Nobody in the industry does that. That is groundbreaking technology.
I read a crazy stat on mylar tape that they use, that it's good from -60 to 236 degrees. So I don't see your unit being used in that way, so I think it's like indestructible right here.
Absolutely, that's impressive.
The Transcend also comes with a power awning, so you can just push your button, have your awning set up. I mean, it's like just a breeze to set this up, none of the manual. A lot of brands still don't do this, so we take this for granted sometimes that it's going to be on every single unit, but just a wonderful feature here. TJ, what else do you want to tell us about?
The new aluminum solid steps that they're putting on this unit is a lot easier to open up and close. I mean, these are so lightweight compared to the old steel steps that they used to do. It's going to be a lot easier when you're setting up the camper when you get to the campground.
I know this big grab handle that folds in and out for you is super easy. It makes going up and down your steps. If you're carrying something inside, you've got something to hang on and pull to, and then it just lifts up and folds out of the way.
Yeah.
Great safety feature here as well for going in and out of your unit.
Absolutely, and that goes really nice with the friction hinge door that the Grand Design Transcend does. Most of the old style doors have little plungers that wind up getting ripped off. This just stays open. It's really nice.
Can you sling that door like so the wind doesn't grab it? You don't have to worry about the wind grabbing it and slamming it shut. It's got all that friction built into that hinge for you.
Yeah. I wanted to show you guys the aluminum wheels that this unit comes with. The competition most of the time has steel wheels, and these are going to look a lot nicer and also not rust at the beach if you're doing a lot of beach camping. The tires also on these wheels are going to come with a 5-year warranty and 12 months, no questions asked, and that's amazing.
So TJ, another great feature on the rims is that these rims dissipate heat a lot better than steel wheels. So with steel wheels, one of the biggest concerns is blowouts. But due to these aluminum rims, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have such a big fear of a blowout. You want to tell us about this amazing outside kitchen here?
Absolutely. So you got the stovetop built in, which is going to be a propane stovetop, and you also have extra refrigeration space to bring all the food that you need to camping.
You can also use this like extra prep space if you want. Just fold that down and use it for prep space, but it's a nice clean look when it folds in and out as well. But you can cook things like bacon, sausage, fish, things that you don't want to smell up your unit and have that odor linger. It's great for this feature here.
Yeah, absolutely. And the storage door that covers this is magnetic catch, so you don't have to worry about bumping your head on anything. It's very nice, easy to go up and down.
I love that it's under the awning too. That's an amazing feature. A lot of times people put a shorter awning on this unit, and then from there you've got no cover over your outside kitchen. So I love that they put it under the awning. So on the back side of this unit here, TJ, you want to tell us about the exterior spray port right there?
Yeah, absolutely. So this unit on the back of it comes with an exterior spray port. It's universal. You can really use it for anything while you're camping. You can wash a dog, you can wash utensil. I mean, you could really use this for
whatever you use to cook with over there, you can rinse it right out. Here you've got your water heater. Now I love this feature. It's 6-gallon quick recovery. So it's gas or electric, and it gives you almost 17 gallons per hour at that quick recovery.
That's huge.
Spare tire is standard on this. So that's going to be an amazing feature here, that you have that extra safety knowing going down the road if something happens that you're already prepared for whatever the travels may bring you. And then ladder. I mean, not every brand is giving you a ladder. That's unbelievable if you want to get up there and check your roof. Speaking of roof, do you want to tell us all the features about this roof? I know it's special.
Yeah, this is a fully walkable roof. And not only that, this roof is PVC material, which most manufacturers are using EPDM rubber, they're using TPO roof. PVC is a special material because it's going to reflect the heat a whole lot better and keep your unit cooler in the summer.
So I talked to someone from Grand Design, and they told me that PVC is 98% more heat reflective than all the other materials out there.
It's also more puncture resistant too, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So it's an amazing feature that I don't know of anything else at this price point that gives you that type of superior roofing.
Well, I know there's some motorhomes, $500,000 or more, that have that PVC roof though.
Right. Unbelievable. And then you got backup camera prep right up here. So that's an awesome feature. It comes from the factory like that, ready to go. Just a quick connect if you wanted to add a backup camera. And then TJ, you want to tell us about the seals here?
Yeah, absolutely. So the windows, the doors, and all the exterior seals aren't going to use putty and butyl tape. That technology they stopped using in the automotive industry in the 1960s, and they still use it in some of our competitor brands today. This is all PVC foam gasketed, and some of the smaller points are going to be die-cut PVC foam gaskets instead of any putty tape.
Just a much better way to use today's technology as opposed to a lot of the other brands that are still using 30 and 40-year-old technology on RVs, which is just crazy. They've got to get with the times here.
Yeah, so walking over here, we're going to talk a little bit about the triple seal. Justin, can you tell me about that?
Yeah, so right in here, in this area right here, you've got one seal, a swipe seal here, and then there's another one hidden way back here for extra protection. What that does is give you 3 layers of protection from the elements. So virtually, water resistant here on this slide technology.
It's also going to help with insects and rodents. I mean, keeping everything out of your unit.
Correct. Another awesome feature of this trailer is that it's 4 seasons. It's fully heated and enclosed underneath. So the insulation that they give you in the front, the side, underneath, fully heated and enclosed, camping year-round 4 seasons, where a lot of brands are just going to be 3, 3.5. Be careful here with camping year-round. We're not with the Transcend.
So this is solid under here.
Yeah, solid, fully heated and enclosed underbelly. And then the docking station here. What a amazing idea, way to use this space here, that you can have all your hookups in one spot. You have a battery disconnect. All your hoses go to one spot. You don't have to chase everything down. And you can run them up from underneath and keep this door shut, keeping everything protected, which is just unbelievable use of this space here.
Coming inside, this is the Transcend 29 TBS, which is an amazing floor plan. It's so open in here, and it's also a quad bunk in the back.
Yeah, so this 29 TBS is a bunkhouse, but if you're not looking for a bunkhouse, they make a huge variety of floor plans to cater to everybody's needs. This one I know sleeps a lot. This particular floor plan is one of the most popular out there, but don't let that stop you from shopping their floor plans and products. So we're going to jump right into this sofa here. Super comfortable sofa. That also is a trifold bed. So the trifold sleeper pulls out, and then you can sleep 2 adults right here. So, 2 adults to be able to sleep in an extra bunkhouse is huge if you're bringing your friends and your family. And then we'll work our way over to this dinette over here that's this U-shape. TJ, the U-shape has just become such a huge feature, right?
Absolutely, and what's really nice about it is that it makes such a large bed. So this table folds down, these cushions make over. And take a look in the back at all the extra sleeping capacity this unit has, with the 3 bunk beds and all the extra storage for the kids' clothes, kids' storage, and anything they want to bring with them. And moving over to the kitchen, I'm going to show you the refrigerator real quick because this is awesome. This is an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. In this size travel trailer, most of the competition only comes with the 6 cubic foot refrigerator. This is huge for food storage.
And I love that the fact that this refrigerator is two-sided. So you can run it off propane, you can run it off electric. That's a major plus for someone that's wanting to do dry camping and boondocking. Just a superb feature here. We're going to work our way over to the sink. You've got a recessed sink here, a huge one-piece sink that is recessed, it's sealed, very residential feel, very residential look. And then your countertops, they're all seamless. There's no T-molding, there's no seams anywhere to absorb any water. Just an unbelievable residential feature here in your countertops. And then the amazing thing over here is these windows. Very few trailers give you windows on this side. So whether you're cooking in here, you want to watch the kids out at the campground or at their play site, you've got tremendous light coming in as well. But this is the side that you're on where your picnic tables are. So you want to be able to look out there and see what's going on under your patio.
I agree, Justin. I love the look of these windows. And also over here in the kitchen, I love these stainless steel microwave and hood vent that this unit comes with. It's just really nice. And this glass top cook center gives you so much extra countertop space to prep the food. It's really nice and flows really well with the countertops in this unit.
Look at all this storage that's right here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, if I pull all these out, there's unlimited storage right here. It's a great use of this space, TJ. And then just cabinets. I mean, there's so many cabinets, TJ. Like they just keep going and going in the drawers. And then these cabinets are real wood. So this door is real wood. These styles are real wood. A lot of brands are going to use like a MDF or a paperback, just much cheaper, a lot less quality. But I think you said these are built to last. And that's what they're going for in these cabinets here.
I think that looks amazing. And is this TV standard in this unit?
This TV is standard in every Transcend. It's going to come standard with this type of TV. And I believe that you can have an outside hookup as well. So you could use a TV inside, use a TV outside. That's just a crazy feature.
Most competitor units do not come with the TV at this price point. This unit is just ready to camp.
We're going to step into the bathroom here. Let's start right here at the bottom. This is a porcelain-based toilet. Most brands are going to use a plastic, which is cheaper. It's just a way for them to save money, but it's not the best thing for the customer. You don't want plastic in toilets in your house. You want them. You want porcelain. That's exactly what they give you here. And it's even got the foot flush. You don't have to reach around and use the handle. Very easy to use there. And then so we've got our residential cabinetry still here. So you've got 1, 2 with the styles. These are real wood solid doors, real wood solid styles. And then if you come into the shower is massive. There's an extra skylight up here. I think it's like 6'7", 6'8" to the top here. And then you've got this awesome door. It's easy to use, easy. It's got a 5-year warranty on that. And then you've got seamless countertops in here. And then there's unbelievable use of storage. You've got storage under here, 1, 2, 3 drawers. And then up top here, you've got your medicine cabinet with extra shelving. So there's storage on both sides of this bathroom, just a well-used version of the space in here. And then you can close it off with this pocket door. Super simple to use and doesn't take up very much space.
Let's take a quick look at this spacious bedroom that this unit has. This has a ton of storage. There's dual closets on either side of the bed. This is a fully walk-around bed. I mean, most units don't have this. And then you also have an extra storage here for closet space, drawer here. This has a ton of space for this size travel trailer.
This bed looks a little larger than normal than everything else in this segment, though. This is a true queen bed,
residential,
right?
Residential 60 by 80.
So I could take
bed.
sheets from my house of my queen bed and use them in here and don't have to go spend hundreds of dollars for specialty sheets.
Absolutely.
That's amazing.
This is very nice. Yeah. Both sides of the bed, if you notice too, it does have electrical outlets if you need to plug anything in. And then there is USB charging also. Very nice feature for this bedroom. You also notice the overhead storage in this unit. It just has a ton of storage, and then also underneath the bed has a ton of storage with gas struts to hold it up so you're not going to bang your head or
hands-free.
Hands-free. Thank you guys for taking the quick tour of the Grand Design Transcend with us. Once again, this unit is quality driven and built to last. There's features in this unit that no other competitor has at this price point, like the PVC roof, the quad seal on the outside, and the enclosed underbelly.
We encourage you to visit any of our locations across the U.S., visit any of our websites. The process for buying is so simple. We make it so hassle-free, and you're never going to make better memories with your family than in an RV. So thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for viewing.